Hi everybody. I've been thinking about the gatekeeper function that myself and my colleagues share in the healthcare system. Family doctors really are gatekeepers between the healthcare system and patients. We spend a lot of our day triaging people's complaints, who needs a medication, who needs a test, who needs to see a specialist, and who doesn't. And I wonder if that gatekeeper function is part of the difficulty that a lot of doctors are having with the disability tax credit. Turns out that family physicians are one of the most common barriers that people who are trying to get the disability tax credit encounter. And I think it comes from the function we have trying to triage people and the gatekeeper function that we have. Since starting a bit of work in this field, I found that doctors tend to be one of the biggest barriers that applicants run into. And I think that comes from the gatekeeper function. Now, since I've educated myself about the disability tax credit, my mindset has really changed from one of a gatekeeper to one as an advocate. I think when you learn about the credit and the number of different conditions that qualify for this important credit, you find that there are a lot of people that should be applying and aren't applying, and whether that's because their doctor doesn't see their role as an advocate for the patient or whether they don't like the paperwork that comes with the application. I'm not sure what it is. But I found that since I've changed my mindset from one of being a gatekeeper to one of being an advocate, I find that I'm going to bat for a number of people who have different conditions that turns out I think will likely be successful with their application. So perhaps if my colleagues could take the challenge to change their mindset from gatekeeper to advocate for the patients with the disability tax credit, we'd see more people applying for the credit and being successful. Just a thought. I'd love to hear your comments of what you think about some of these barriers. And if you know someone that needs some help applying for that disability tax credit, please have them get in touch with me, okay? Thanks.